Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Get Glamorous by Lucky. Without wasting any time, I will let you know how you can make your skin glowing on each and every day. So this is all about your daily routine. So let's begin with the steps. There are 3 steps which we are going to follow today. And before that, I will let you know that once you are going outside in the sun or you get in contact with the dust particles, it get into your pores. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove those dust particles from inside the pores. So let's begin with the CTM process. CTM, C is for cleansing, T is for toning, and M is for moisturizing. I have already mentioned in one of my videos. You can go and check what this CTM means is. So I will tell you how you can do CTM at home. First of all, we will clean our skin. For that, we need cleanser. So I have this cleanser with me. This is a IU's brand. You can go with any cleansing milk. So let's begin with the cleansing part. What you have to do is you just need these three fingers, and on the top of the tips, put few drops over it, and you just need to emulsify it well like this and apply it on your face in a circular motion. I have mentioned these steps in my one of the video where I was explaining about the skin tones, so you can go and check that video as well. My hairs are disturbing me. Let me tuck it well. Make sure your hairs are not coming at the front of your face. So now you get the surface of the face to apply the cleansing milk. This you have to do for 1 to 2 minutes. For forehead as well. What cleansing milk does is it opens your pores and bring the dust outside the pores. You can follow these steps in morning and evening twice a day. Then you can find a very good results within a week for sure. After 1 to 2 minutes, you have to use either a dry tissue or a wet wipes you can use. This area of your face has lots of open pores where you have to emulsify your cleansing milk well. So this is how I applied cleansing milk. Now you need 2 things. Any of the 2 things, either dry wipes or wet wipes. You have to take 2 of them and if you are using wet wipes, then you need only 1 wet wipe will be enough for all your face. So with dry wipes, what you have to do is, if you have dry wipes, then I have water here, dip it inside the water and you just need to squeeze it well. You have to clean the cleansing milk present on your face, and you can find that this tissue is having a lot of dust available. Make sure you are cleaning it well so that the dust came outside the pores will be removed properly. Now I hope you can see how the dust came out on this tissue. This is the fresh one and this is the used one. I guess you can see the difference. If you have time, you can use this dry wipe. In case you are in a hurry and you have to go outside, or you're going for office party and you don't have much time, then you just bring out 1 wet wipe, clean your face well. So now my skin is clean. Now the cleansing is all done. What was the next step? Toning. Yes. What toner does is, once the cleansing milk opening our pores and removing dust outside the skin layer, now you can't let your skin pores open and you have to minimize it. So let's begin with the toning now. I have this Gulabri toner with me, but you people can also use biotic products, which is very good. Right now I have shortage of that product because of lockdown. I'm not able to get it, and so I only have this one. Again, there is two options you have. If you have time, it's better to use a cotton and pour a few drops over it and then dab it like this. If you are in a hurry, use this kind of spray bottles of toner. You just need to do is like this. So what it will do is, you can feel a little bit irritation, you can say, a little bit feeling of your skin pores are getting minimized slowly. So if it is so, it means you are doing your CTM process in a right way. It means your pores are getting minimized. Now you have to wait for 1 minute so that this toner get dry. You can see it's wet right now. Once it is dry, then we'll go with the third step, which is a moisturizing. Yeah, I guess now it's dry. Yes, it is dry now. So let's begin with the moisturizer. I'm pretty sure now you are aware what kind of moisturizer your skin type wants. My skin is dry. I will definitely go with the dry skin moisturizer, which is specifically for my skin type. You go with your skin type moisturizer. Don't try to copy the products and brands. I'm just using as per my preference. You can choose whatever products do you like, but make sure you are using products as per your skin tone and skin undertones. I will use moisturizer now. I personally use this Cetaphil moisturizer, which is for dry skin. If you also want to use the same brand, you can, but there are a lot more products which are basically based as per your skin type. If you are going with Cetaphil product, it will this green cap bottle is for dry skin and blue cap bottle is for oily skin. Again, what you have to do is, you have to pour a few drops over your 3 fingertips, these 3. And again, you have to emulsify it well over these 3 fingers only, because it may become easy to apply the moisturizer or any product on your face, and apply it like this all over your face. Try to cover full face and gently massage on your face as you did in the first step with the cleansing milk. So this is the last step of CTM, that is moisturizing. Now your skin becomes more healthier, shiny, and it's ready to start with makeup. One point I want to mention here is this CTM is for everyone, either male or female, both can go with this. So this is the CTM process done, and the skin is protected now. If you want to go outside in the sun, make sure you are using sunscreen lotion, at least SPF 30, so that you can protect your skin from the sun rays. So this is all about CTM process, how you can do it at your home. I hope you like this video. Try to do CTM and look at the mirror if you found any changes, and do let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubts in choosing the products of CTM, do let me know. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon.